This is CM Lovejonez with another episode or podcast of the Lovejonez Effect. Today I want to talk about something that I've heard quite a bit talked about in different Facebook groups, dating discussions and things of that nature. It's, why doesn't he call? Why does he always text? And I think guys are not understanding exactly what they are cheating themselves out of as far as bonding with that lady. See, your voice, as you hear how I'm using mine, can be a very, very, very strong aphrodisiac. And what it can do is entice her, make her want to see you more. Not just how you say it, it's what you say, when you say it, the timing, your vernacular, your enunciation. Some ladies really love intelligence, so you communicating with her allows a different type of connection, let's say it like that. So pick up the phone, call. The thing about this also is what you're touching is one of the five senses. The five senses are touch, sight, smell, hearing, and taste. And once you bond with the voice, have you ever noticed how quickly she wants to go on a date? She wants to have those other four senses stimulated. So that's why she wants to date. So talk to her, especially if you're meeting the way we meet nowadays online. It is better to call as soon as possible. Not too soon, but as soon as possible. And begin to get that rapport going with her. Now, once you get that rapport going with her, the other side of this is consistency. I know we're busy, but I have found that a simple phone call doesn't have to be long, not too short. You don't want to just, come off as this is something you're just doing because you have to. But you do want to call when you think about her instead of just texting all the time. Break up the monotony. Do something different. As I said, in this age of texting and online, that voice is your weapon to break down the walls that she might have built up over the years from guys not doing that. So you be the one to call. Be consistent. And we will get into how to stimulate the other four senses in later videos. This is CM Lovejonez with the Lovejonez Experience once again. I'd like to welcome you to like, share, subscribe, drop an email, comment, any topics you want me to answer or address. Feel free to hit me up. Until the next time, we out.